So today I'm going to make a weight loss for what to do, and I'm just showing one round. You can practice like 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Okay, so let's do one Agnisara Kriya. First, you need to exhale first through mouth, then flap your stomach. So you need to take rest. So every round you should take a more on rest. One round I've done, I can take a rest. Then again you have to exhale through mouth. So you can do 5 rounds, 10 rounds you can do. Okay, I'm just showing one round. So next we are going to do jogging. So very simple jogging also you can do. If it's hard also you can make it very simple. So I'll show you now. See one I'll do this is the you can do if it's old people you can do with the very slow manner. If it is very young people you can do faster. But old age people how to do it. Okay, this you should do 10 rounds, rest, small rest, 10 rounds, rest. You can do like a 5 sets. Then next change you can do. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like that. You can do this also 5 rounds. Then you should do start the neck movements. You can do lightly sideways. Should touch ears to shoulder. Look up, down, and 5 times. Then chin to shoulder 5 times. Okay. Next we are going to do stretches. Stretches, what you have to do? Hold your like just wrist. Left, right, left, right. You can change your hands touching like this 10 times. This you can do 10 to 20 times. Next, I am going to do. So you need to do, because you need to stretch back also, front also. What you have to do? Inhale, bend backwards. Exhale, bend it like this. This you should do 10 times. Utkatasana like this. If you have a people back pain, then you can make them to stretch it like this. You can stretch it, you can take wall support. Otherwise, Utkatasana is very good. You can do 10 times. This one for hold, like for young people, they can do faster, but old age people above 50 should do very slowly. Then exhale like this, very slowly, like this, and then slowly come up. If you have a knee pain, don't do this, but you can skip it. This is very good for knee pain. You can take wall support and hold it for 10 seconds. Okay. Next, one twisting you have to do. Keep your thumbs in front of your chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this you can do 10, 10, 2 to 3 sets. Okay. Then now we have to do groin stretch. So make it like this. 1, hold for 5 seconds. 2, hold for 5 seconds. Then 5 seconds. Then come back. So you need to do, keep doing it. 1, 5 seconds. Then 5 seconds. Then 5 seconds. Then come back. So you have to keep on doing 10 sets. So right, left, right. So this is all. The more you do, the more effectiveness. Last will be Tadasana. This you can do 10 times. I am just showing 2 to 3 rounds so that you can do 10 rounds. Next we'll do Ustrasana, camel posture. Here we need to do first pulsing. 1, 2, 3, 10 times. Okay, then holding. Other side holding. Then Parvatasana. Always use 3 asana to make them. Okay, other side. So again come back. Again Ustrasana. This you have to do 10 sets. I am showing one set. This is second set I am doing. 10 times pulsing. Holding for 10 seconds. This is 10 seconds. I am just holding 2 seconds. This is a 10 times. 1, 2, 3 Parvatasana pulsing. So you can do 5 to 10 sets. So that they will sweat it because they have done Agnisar Kriya, they will sweat more. Okay, now come back and take a rest after doing 10 sets. Now come back. Now cat posture will do. So in the cat posture, Vyagrasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Other side also. 1, 2. This also 10 times. 10 times. Okay, I can see you. Okay, 10 times you should do it here also. After 10 times, you need to fold the elbows. Stretching 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll come little back. 6, 7, 10 times. So that this also sets it. First is what? First is a Vyagrasana, 10 times right and left. After that elbow folding, then kicking 1, 2, 10 times. So that you can come back, rest for some time. Okay. So we'll do now lie on your back also. I'll show you lie on your back. Lie on your back. So in the lie on back, you need to make sure you are going to design nice asanas. So, okay, you should fold it. 1, hold it 5 seconds. You need to inhale and tight your stomach. And go back. And other leg. Same leg only should do 10 times. Should not change the legs. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Like that. Okay. So after that what you have to do? Fold your left leg. Okay. You have to